Good morning, children. This is the new chapter, Keeping Safe. Read the story given below and answer the question that follow. Here the story, Ram was running when he dropped the bottle and water spilled on the floor of the classroom. राम क्लासरूम में दौड़ रहा था और वो क्या किया, उससे बॉटल गिर गया और बॉटल से सारा पानी क्लासरूम में गिर गया. He picked up his bottle and did not bother about the water and the floor. वो पानी बॉटल उठा लिया और पानी जो फ्लोर पे गिरा था उसके बारे में कुछ सोचा ही नहीं. Then the Ravi came running in the classroom and slipped on the spilled water and got hurt. और रवि क्लासरूम दौड़ते हुए आया क्लासरूम में और जो पानी गिरा हुआ था उस पर स्लिप कर गया और उसको चोट लगा. Why did Ravi get hurt? The Ravi slipped on the spilled water and got hurt. रवि को क्यों चोट लगा? क्योंकि वो पानी जो गिरा हुआ था उस पर स्लिप कर गया. Could this accident have been avoided? Yes, if he did not drop the bottle. Who dropped the bottle? Ram. So accident, it means accident have been avoided if the Ram not dropped the bottle. What should have Ram done to avoid the accident? Ram should have informed the maid servant about the spilled water on the floor. So children, you know most of the accident happen due to someone being careless. Let us learn how we can avoid the accident. First, safety at home. How we should keep ourselves safety at home. We should follow the different safety rule to avoid the accident. First, general safety rule at home. You should keep the floor in the house dry. It may someone trip and fall down if there are unnecessary objects or water spill on the floor. Do not leave the drawer open. Someone may get hurt. Children, you should not leave the toy and book etc. lying on the floor as they may cause someone to trip and fall. Next, you should try to arrange the furniture in a house in such a way that there is a clear space for the people to walk. Children, do not climb on the shelf or table to reach something on the top shelf. Use the step ladder. Children, do not put a finger in an electric socket. You may get an electric shock. You also do not consume any medicine on your own. It may be dangerous. You should take the medicine on the direction of your elder person. Do not close to the table fan or heater. You may get hurt. Do not insert many plug in a one plug point. Ask an adult to turn off the main if there is a spark and you get shocked. Now, what safety you should follow in the kitchen? Children, do not try to go in the kitchen without any adult. You go the kitchen with your elder person. Then you should always turn off the gas when not is used. You should also check the gas pipe regularly to avoid the leakage. Do not wear synthetic loose clothes while working in a kitchen because these catches fire easily. And do not play with a sharp object like knife and scissor, and also do not play with a firework or a matchstick. Understood? Now you read the lesson. If you have any confusion, ask the question. Thank you and have a nice day.